Had to pop in on him real quick, get this hair did. Crochet braids on lock. I told y'all, I ain't need to go to a hairdresser. My sister did it. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. I'm back with another video. Welcome to Karen's Chronicles. I missed y'all. Did y'all miss me? And for all those that are just tuning in to my channel today, welcome. And I hope you come back. Like, share, and subscribe this video. So, I'm here. I got a surprise for y'all. I'm going to do an unboxing of something I brought. Y'all check me out. Y'all know I had to switch up on them. Somebody tried to play me. I was rocking my 2 Afro puffs, looking rough and tough with my Afro puffs, and they gonna tell me. You know my sister do hair, right? I said, I don't need your sister. I got my own sister. Right in court. The people thought I had my real ponytails out because the salon was closed. Salon where? What salon, B? What? I'm getting my hair done right now. This what you do, you pop out on them. What? Y'all see that?
I does it all, baby.
What? What's the line? Quarantine style. She hooked your girl up. So, look what I got. Oh, I'm so excited, y'all. This beauty LED light that I'm going to show y'all today. I do my own makeup. And then I'm getting this YouTube popping. I need the right lighting because y'all don't even know. I'm using the light from my computer screens. And it worked good for them videos, right? So get back, sit back, relax. I will put everything in the bottom from where I got this light from. So get your debit cards ready because y'all might want one too. Let's get it poppin'. Here's the box, y'all. I got it from Amazon. I was going to get my nephew to be the little man to hold it, but he in there playing his game. I made him close his door because I didn't want him to be in my video. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up so y'all can see. Maybe I should have got him because look at me in here struggling. I'm gonna get it though. I'm gonna get it. Now why would you put it so tight, girl? Okay, there you go. We got it. So y'all see. Here is, and I ordered it pink. Yep, there is the light, y'all. And just so you know, you gotta keep it plugged up to a USB so the light will have power. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything. Here is a mirror you can have attached to it. Here is the stick that stands the light up with onto the base. And here is the base right here. And here is the phone tripod. So you can either have the phone or I can have this nice mirror when I do my makeup. Holla at your girl. So here is, I don't need no instructions because I already kind of opened it and look at it. But y'all see, that's how it's going to look when it's together. But I'm going to show y'all that today. So it has 2 pieces. This piece right here. This goes and it's going to stand the mirror up. And then it should be, this should be already, I should have another piece. That's the mirror piece. See, did your girl lose something to it already? I shouldn't have. It should be another piece, a black piece that goes into the piece for, oh, it's still on it. There it goes for the tripod. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together real quick so y'all can show y'all. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, I changed my mind. So I got nephew's son to put it together. He just moving all quick. Turn around so the people can see. Sit it on the stand. So he's screwing in the pole to the stand. And then now he's going to screw on the ring light. Y'all see that? Jake, nice too. So yeah, do that piece. Because it's easier. Nope. Oh, y'all, he breaking stuff already. He breaking stuff already. That's how I go, but why did that other piece fall off? Oh, Lord, y'all. He tearing up. Y'all see, he fixing these pieces that keep falling off. I'm a little scared, though. I'm like, this should have been easy for you, bro. Oh, Lord. I mean, you got it?
Come on, I gotta sit down. That's too tall.
Did you say hey to Karen's Chronicles?
Hey, Karen Chronicles.
He's so dry. He ain't sound like that when he was just on that game.
I'm just running it the wrong way.
Okay, so that other piece that she was turning, yes, so it'll be tight on the mount.
Oh, I gotta do some of that back there.
Okay, you got it.
No, it's not like that. I don't know how to do that. You wanna put this piece in?
No, that's the mirror. Okay, y'all, so he got the mount up there, and then you have to plug the cord. Into the lamp so they can see it powered on. And so I got it plugged. Oh, y'all see that? Woo! So y'all see I got it plugged into my power bank. So I don't have to carry around a laptop. But Trayvon, change the lights. Turn it down. Y'all see that? So they can see. Turn it down. Turn the other light. The other side. Oh, yes. That thing is right. I'm excited when I do this makeup. Look at him, y'all. He think he gonna be using my thing for his YouTube. Wrong answer. So there you have it. The unboxing of my light. I think my power bank got a short. I gotta switch the ports. At least I got 3 ports on my power bank. So we straight with that. But I just wanted to come up here and show y'all and chat with y'all a bit.
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Okay, I'll let them know. What is your YouTube channel?
TRAGO Crazy. No spaces. And then space gaming.
Okay, I'm going to put his YouTube channel down below in the link, y'all. We outie. Thanks, y'all, for stopping by. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Now, y'all thought I was going to let that video end without y'all seeing the final result of that light put up and the actual bling of how it look on my face. That light is definitely blinging, and I'm so excited to use it for my videos, for my makeup. Check it out. Oh, y'all, check it out. Y'all see them lights, though? I had to stop in before this video ended so y'all can see what them lights looking like. Them lights is blinging, and they got different settings. Check it out. Ooh, that's popping. Let me see. We even got a yellow dim light. Oh, there go the yellow coming in. Yo, I'm excited, y'all. I can do this makeup. Boy, I'm about to bust out. See y'all. And there you have it. My light and the paint behind it was done by my cousin, China J. See her channel down in the link below. Be blessed.